Hi everybody, I'm Anthony at Stapp Toyota. I'm here today to talk to you about this 21 custom TRD off-road Tacoma that we built up for you guys. This one here has some exciting things on it. We have a factory approved Toyota OEM lift that keeps the TSS systems intact and doesn't compromise any safety systems on the vehicle. Kind of best of both worlds here. You get your off-road capability with your on-road safety. This vehicle also comes paired with the matte black 17-inch TRD wheels with the 275 70 R17 KO2 tires matched with them. 5-inch oval tube steps on it and blackout emblem overlays on this truck as well. So with the lift kit, comes with a Pro Grill. This here comes with as part of that OEM lift kit, and it comes with a pre-calibrated sensor that works with the TSS system and keeps your safety systems all in check there. This is just one example of how we can customize a Toyota Tacoma. We can customize any one of our Toyota models for you here through our I25 custom shop. If you have any questions or want to customize your vehicle, please feel free to reach me at 720-864-2475 or email me directly at anthonywhite@interstatetoyota.com. Thank you. Have a great day.